So this is interesting. Woke up to a couple of inches of snow and it's my travel day to Disneyland Paris. It's Thursday the 8th of March and my taxi should be here in 20 minutes to the station if it turns up. Hopefully my train to London's running, hopefully my Eurostar's running. Let's see what happens. So my taxi didn't turn up, so we're currently walking to the station and the husband is dragging my suitcase through the snow. Uh-oh. Made it to London. Now I'm going to go to Oxford Circus and change to get to King's Cross and Franquist and get my Eurostar. All good so far. Stop in Marks and Spencer's. I am going to get some Percy pigs, not that Easter egg, but just some Percy pigs for my friends in Paris. They seem to have everything here. Ooh, giant chocolate face. Wow, they got some really good Easter stuff here. Love it. Now to get some Percy pigs. Beautiful, beautiful flower stall at St Pancras and making my way to Eurostar International to board the Eurostar. This way is a beautiful, beautiful chocolate shop with a ginormous chocolate egg in and a beautiful chocolate Big Ben. You get some really good shops at St Pancras. It's always fun to have a look in them. So I'm all checked in and I'm headed off to my posh lounge until it's time to get my train. It's about 9:30. That went as smooth as it possibly could have been. Snow or no snow. Nice. So my Eurostar is on time. I'm going to get on it. I'm platform 9, platform 10 is going to Lille, I'm on platform 9 to Garden.
Text me or ask me or anything.
22.
What about when they go out there?
trouble-free journey to Gare du Nord. Here I am, almost at Gare du Nord, and then getting the RER over to Disney. And we are here at Gare du Nord, just about to get off the platform, and I can get my RER train over to Disney. So it looks from this like I'm going to have to wait 21 minutes to get to my valet, so that's what I'll have to do. Here we are. Man, the valet, chassis, Parc Disneyland. Woohoo! Came from there, and I'm coming to here, and it looks like it's absolutely chucking with rain out there. I came from that way, and I'm going this way. That's the way to Disney and the Disney Village, but I'm gonna go this way to the shuttle buses because I'm staying out the rain, so I'm trying to walk through the inside as much as I can. Of course, my raincoat is in my suitcase. Very useful indeed. I may have to stop and get it out, I'm not sure. So, it is actually chucking it down with rain. I am at the Santa Fe bus stop, which is marked by Donald Duck. I just got to wait for a shuttle. There it comes. Woohoo!
Non andare nell'acqua, mettiti a destra.
Oh Lord, it's raining men. Hallelujah. It's raining men. This looks like Meta. I'm in Meta 24. So I'm going to get there and get some shelter. Very rainy. Very rainy. I don't think I've ever known it this rainy at Disney before. Here I am at my room's 121. So I'm going to try and carry the suitcase up these stairs and find the room. So I came in from the rain there, and the room is here. So I'll just put the bags down and give you a little room tour. Okay, room tour. You've seen Santa Fe before. Here is the little table where I'm hoping to set up the kettle. I've asked for a kettle, they're going to bring one. I've got 2 double beds, and obviously the phone, and here we've got a little postcard of Santa Fe that we can keep, and just satisfaction survey. We've obviously got the lovely cones over the bed, the cone lights, the picture of Meta, and the border, Lightning McQueen, can't remember the name, Sally, Meta. On the first floor we got a radiator, we've got a car style seat, chest of drawers, another lamp, PowerPoint. This way we have the storage with some hangers and a safe, and this way is the bathroom. So in the bathroom we have the lovely mirror, style of a car wash. We have the ineffective hairdryer, but it might be useful because I'm drowned right now. Got some Santa Fe soap, Santa Fe tissues with the new logo on. We've got some Santa Fe shampoo and conditioner, and we are missing our shower gel, so I'm going to have to ring them about that because I don't have any shower gel. There is our checkered flag shower curtain, a bath with a shower over the bath. That's pretty much it. That's the room at Santa Fe. Let's have a look at the view. This is the view, pretty rainy right now, just other blocks and a bit of the car park. And that direction is the river, that direction is reception. But yeah, a bit rainy for now. So they gave us a new remote for the TV and it says Bienvenue Famille Read. And it's got this really cute little Santa Fe little thing on it. It's really cute. And it was playing this little cartoon thing. Disney à demande. I think I've got it in French. Oops, no clue what I'm doing. So I've been resting at the hotel for a while, settled in, and I've found a lodger.
Hello.
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 So Mitchell's going to join me at Santa Fe. He got absolutely soaked at the park this afternoon. So we've been back here just drying off. Now that we're dry, we are going to go and try and meet the character at Santa Fe, which we obviously hope will be Minnie because she's the most iconic, but they're all good. And we can't be bothered to have dinner anywhere seriously, serious. So I think we'll just get something at Starbucks Santa Fe for dinner, like a toasty or something. So let's go, I'll take you with us. So we're in Santa Fe Starbucks now, and I got a 5 cheese and ham, or it's actually just a 5 cheese toasty and a chai latte. They spell my name Lise. L-I-S-E. Yeah, I'll show you around this Starbucks a little bit, but that came to €11.47. I was able to get 10% off annual pass discount, so it's worth knowing that you can use your annual pass discount in Starbucks and get 10% off. So this is the Starbucks in Santa Fe. It's all themed to Route 66. It's got some road signs and things like that. There's a door to the outside there, and this way it has a door to reception and stuff. It's not that big, but it's got everything you need, and it sells all the cups. I'll just show you the merch that it sells. They have got the Avengers Campus mug, Disneyland Paris mug, Walt Disney Studios mug. They've got a France mug, a Paris mug, and Disneyland Paris 30 mugs. So quite good merch they've got here. So yeah, that's my dinner, and it's quite a simple one tonight. 5 cheese toasty and a chai latte, €11.49.
Yes!
It's Goofy Mater, and we're in Mater Block. Are you on time? We're staying later. We're staying later. It's really good. I love it. And, yeah, I think you're on the back. Yeah, it's on the back. Yeah, the photographer's she's coming. Sorry. Excuse me. We're posing.
And you get this recap, or they are going to be, and for the last one, yes, great.
We're looking in the trading post, which is the shop at Hotel Santa Fe, and there's a few new things that we can show you. There are these turning red snuggle pillow things. Let's go and have a closer look. So yeah, these are those pillow pals. This is a turning red fox one, and I'm going to try and see what the price is. Let's have a look. The price is €50. So they are really nice. There's an angel one as well. I think this is new as well, and it is a Sully Big Feet. So Sully with big feet, and let me check the price. So this big feet plush is €30, really cute. So this Pixar merchandise is all new, and first of all we'll have a look at this Lotso fluffy fleecy top, which, let's have a look, it has Lotso on the pocket, and the pom-poms are, I think, a unicorn pom-pom and a Sully pom-pom, so it's a general Pixar theme. There's nothing on the back, but it's a really nice warm snuggly hoodie, and it comes in up to XXL, and that's €70. And the other one is, I prefer it because it's got a zip, and it's not zipped all the way, but it's zipped about halfway, and that is the little toys, I don't know what they're called, but you can win them at the fun fair. There's a duck and a rabbit. That's also €70, and yeah, nothing on the back of that, just the different colours. So they are really nice. There's a new children's fleece hoodie, which is €45 of Sully, and on the back it's got the hood with the horns and like the little spine going down there. So that kids one is €45. I really like this Lotso Loungefly bag, and it is €80, and I think actually smells of strawberries. So I'm going to get Mitchell. Could you have a sniff?
If you insist.
Can you verify what this smells like for the vlog?
Strawberries.
Definitely strawberries. So yeah, €80. It's quite big, and it has a strawberry purse attached to it as well. So yeah, those are €80. So this Pixar Spirit jersey is sort of, it's not sweatshirty, it's sort of soft, fleecy, warm stuff. And if Mitchell can just show us the back, it's got some detail on the back, which is the unicorn and a rainbow, and Sully and the red fox. And that is, I think, €75. That's adult sizes. So that's a really nice one. And then Sully is €80, and he has sweatshirty stuff here with a plasticky embroidered Sully there. And this bit's all fleecy and soft, and this one's €85. And Mitchell can show us, is there anything on the back of the Sully one?
I don't. Oh, there is.
Yeah, it says "Roar" to scare people. So yeah, I like all of that. I might end up getting one of these things. They've got plenty of the bags here, plenty of the Spirit jerseys. So yeah, all in the hotel shop. So behind the till here at the trading post, they have Jessie, Bullseye, Woody in their boxes, the collectible puppets. They're really nice. I'm not sure what the price is though, but yeah, you can buy them in here. They've got some pins and lanyards, some chocolates and sweets. So I am going to get this Sully sweatshirt because that's what I want. So that is the end of my travel day. Just having a walk through Disney Village because the rain's finished, and I hope you enjoyed me going from snow to pouring rain to not rain, and that was my travel day.